Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to buy stocks on Cash App. So the Cash App makes investing for beginners super easy. This video is not sponsored. This is just merely a tutorial. So the first thing you're going to want to do is link a bank account or a debit card. And at the very bottom there, you'll see multiple tabs. Go to the very left tab. So I'm going to click on that. So after you've clicked on that button, scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see linked accounts. So click on linked accounts, and here you will be able to link a bank account, link a debit card, whatever way you want to in order to fund your Cash App account. So after you've done that, I'm going to click on back. So on the same tab, you'll see your cash balance that you have on your Cash App account. So you're going to want to fund your Cash App account here. So you click on add cash and type in however many dollars you want to deposit into your Cash App account. So I already have $5 on my Cash App account, so I'm going to click on X. You see that my current cash balance is $5. So we're going to use this $5 to buy stocks on the Cash App. Along the bottom, you'll see 5 options. You're going to want to go to the second to the right option. So I'm going to click on that there. And you see that you could invest in stocks, you could invest in Bitcoin. I'll have a separate video on how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App linked on the screen. But as you can see, you could look up any company you want. You could look up Walmart, Apple, Coca-Cola, Disney, McDonald's, Visa. So at the top, you see that magnifying glass. While you're under the stock section is where you're going to want to search for the stock that you're trying to buy. So at this point, I'm going to try buying $5 into the S&P 500. So I'm going to click on the magnifying glass, and you'll see it even breaks all the stocks down to multiple categories, and you could type in the ticker name. For example, the S&P 500 would be SPY. So there it is. I just click on there, and there you have the option to buy/follow. However, if I just wanted to search it through the category, I know it is under the category of ETF. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, just merely a tutorial. So even if you just look through a bunch of the ETFs that are currently offered on the Cash App, you click on one of those. But for my example here, we're going to be buying the S&P 500. So we're going to click on SPY. And you can see today it went up 1.42%. So on Cash App, you could buy fractional shares. So the S&P 500 is valued at more than $5. We're just going to be buying a fractional share of the stock. And every time it goes up 5% or 10%, whatever percentage, that is how much your Cash App portfolio is going to go up by. So say, for example, I bought $100 into the S&P 500. And it went up 5%. So instead of $100, I'll have $105 because, 5% of 100 is 5. So I just made that up just for easy math. Right now, I'm going to click on buy. And here you have multiple options. Like, you can select $10, $25, $50, $75, $100. Or you see the 3 dots where you can enter in your custom amount. So we're going to click on that. And here I could even buy $1 worth of the S&P 500 if I really wanted to. I'm just going to do that just to show you guys. So let's just buy $1 worth of the S&P 500. So I typed in $1. I'm going to click on next and just verify your identity. And you'll see a summary of your purchase. Right now, I'm buying at aftermarket hours. So it's going to buy $1 worth of the S&P 500 at the approximate share price of $387.11. So that's how much the stock is currently valued at. However, I'm only going to be purchasing a fractional share of the S&P 500. And you can see the total purchase amount is $1 and fees is going to be $0. And total cost of this purchase is going to be $1. So you can see at the very top there, it says it's going to buy $1 worth of the S&P 500 starting tomorrow at 9:30 a.m., which is the time that the stock market opens. So that's why that time is there. So we're going to click on schedule. And there you go. It's just giving me my summary. You're going to buy $1 worth of the S&P 500 and your order will be placed at 9:30 a.m. when the market opens. So click on done. And all you have to do at that point is wait for your order to go through, and you would have successfully bought stocks on Cash App. So if you have any additional questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. And if you guys would like some free cash on the Cash App, feel free to sign up with my referral link. You get some cash as soon as you send $5 or more using the Cash App, and you and I will both benefit from that referral. So much appreciated. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.